in this video I'm gonna try and show you how we need to tighten the pins for, sorry for the trash can, for tighten the pins so you have less or no blade play in this old cheapo made in China lockback knife. So let's start. I need a small hammer and my mini anvil, but I don't see it at the moment. Because I can't find my mini anvil, I'm gonna use the sledgehammer type thing as a mini anvil. As you can see, maybe this one sticks out a lot and it's not really domed. So yeah, gonna try and fix that. Don't over tighten it, so hammer a bit and check. You can use a piece of metal, really thin one, to stick in, but I don't have one anymore. So yeah, let's see. Also make sure that the other side of the pin is resting nice on the anvil. Still a lot of blade play, so continue doing that until the blade play is gone and everything is nice and tight, but not too tight. After a while you get a feel for how much you need to do it, need to hammer it in, but with this one it's gonna be a lot. So yeah. Still way too much blade play. I'm gonna take a little bit longer than I originally thought, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get it nice and tight. It's gonna take a while. Sorry for noise, maybe I should have said in the beginning of the video, but it is what it is. It's better. It still has a lot of blade play, but that's already significantly less. It's getting a little bit tight here, but that I need to fix in another way. Because oh no, I see. So yeah, just keep doing that until it's fixed. That's how you tighten the pins, and I will continue fixing this one, but I will see you guys later. Bye.